Well, we're getting really close now. So we've got the gas line in. There's the original gas line there. And we brought it over here 1.25 inches. We installed the valve up here, so if we have to remove this pipe, we don't have to shut off the gas of the gas meter there. And we've got it tied into the gas control valve. And we left enough room here so if and when somebody has to come and replace that water heater, they can get by. Always make it easier for the next guy, because it might be you, and it's also good karma. So we've got it. There's our water line right now. Blow down, as you can see, we've little tint on there because I hot wired this thing, bypassing all safety controls except the flame safety control, and ran it for about 30 minutes or so, getting the boiler and the mains hot. You got that new boiler smell, and the sort of burn off of the oils and so forth on the outside. Everything is looking good. The equalizer and Harford loop there. I've got a drain here. I just stuck this 7/8 inch hose over the hose connection. I'll probably put a hose clamp there and keep that drain on a permanent basis there so we can drain it. There's the flue, 7-inch flue. There's the barometric. As you can see, the chimney is drawing air right now. The chimney is warm, so it's pulling a draft. This is the rollout, which if there was a blockage, this would swing in this direction, spilling hot gases onto this sensor here. And we're going to wire this in and get it as part of the safety committee, as it were. Oh, sorry about that light there. And take a step back so you can take a look at it there. Got it up on blocks, and shim. And now Frank decided not to go with the hydro level because we would have had to have mounted it here, and that would have been another thing we had to worry about. And we've got this McDonald Miller. This will be the primary control, and it fits rather nicely in the space. It makes for a neater job. The secondary low water cutoff will, as in past practice, probably be mounted here, and there's the remote probe for it there. And let's see, here's the rating plate on the boiler, and another shot of the flue pipe, and another shot of the VXT with the accounting tag ready for record, hopefully, the little water consumption. And we are ready for the privilege of starting fires in people's basements. Thanks again for your support. I am humbled by your comments, and I look forward to getting this one operational.